Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your Sony TV supports the specific screen sharing method you'll use, Miracast or Chromecast built-in, because methods differ. Next, connect both the TV and your phone or laptop to the same Wi-Fi network. This creates the local link required. Once done, open the TV's input or app labeled Screen Mirroring or Chromecast and leave it showing the waiting screen, so your source device can discover it. These actions set the stage for the device-side connection steps that follow. Now you act on the source device. On Android, open Quick Settings or Settings, tap Cast or Screen Share, and choose your Sony TV from the list. Accept any prompts. On Windows, open Action Center, pick Connect, or go to Settings Devices, add Device, and select the TV. Install drivers if requested. For iPhone, use AirPlay only if the Sony model supports it. Otherwise, open the video app that supports casting and choose the TV. Make sure permissions and notifications aren't blocking the connection. Complete the link by accepting the connection prompt on the TV, then confirm orientation and resolution settings so text and video look right. If you don't see video, reboot both devices and the router, update TV firmware and the source's OS or casting app, and try again. Also check Wi-Fi bands. Some devices prefer 4 GHz, and disable guest or client isolation on the router, which can block discovery. If problems persist, toggle the TV's screen sharing feature off and on to reset the service.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.